accident #1. How to go basic camping and forget some stuff, doesn't matter. We can do it. Let's have some fun. It's been about 10 years since I've been to this spot, Armstrong Creek, so I'm going to tackle it today and go camping. I've got the little scooter. I'm going to pack all my gear on the trailer and ride the bike about 15 k's to the old camping spot. I'm going to have a ball, I hope. Check this little bugger out. He was on the track. We've got to keep rolling. Can't wait for these animals. Little bastards. He's not so little, he's about 4 foot long. So here's the old place we used to visit about 15 years ago. Had an old house on a great property. It was leasehold, and some silly bastards burned it down. Here it is. Armstrong Creek, love it. Well, it's time to unpack and set up camp. Unload the trailer and have a nice night. Heading back tomorrow, but this is going to be great. Lesson 1. We've prepared everything to go on a small time camping trip. So I get up here, best spot in the world, and what do I find? I start setting up the camp, unload the little trailer I've got over there. There's no poles for the tent. I've done that before. So what do? You make do. Let's have a look at this. So as you can tell, I've set up camp, but I've had to do it the rough way. I found an old tree, perched the outside of the tent, around the tree. It's going to be a rough night, but inside it should be good, because I've got a little bed there. It's windy though, I'm a bit frightened everything's going to fall over. Also importantly, I've got rock and roll, which I turn up. Absolutely love it. Yeah, gotta have rock and roll. So it says danger forward, so I'm going to place it in the tunnel here, one of the tunnels, and we'll see what happens. When it used to stand up, that Evan and I lit fireworks inside that bit there, which probably stuffed the tree. It was pretty well stuffed to start with.